Hello mga ka-happy bahay, happy buhay! Last time po pinag-usapan natin how can we honor our parents. Ngayon naman po pag-usapan natin what honoring is not. Ano nga ba yung mga misconceptions about honoring your father and your mother? Yung mga maling akala natin when it comes to honoring. Unang-una na nga po, honoring does not mean control. Kapag bata ka pa, yung pinaka-primary authority sa buhay mo ay ang magulang mo dahil wala ka pang hustong pag-iisip. Pero kapag ikaw ay dumating na sa hustong pag-iisip at tamang edad, yung mga magulang mo magsisilbi na lang silang guide, coach, or mentor, but they are never to control you.
Paano nga ba natin dapat i-honor ang ating mga magulang? Alam po ninyo, honoring your parents does not mean giving them the right to impose their beliefs on you. Okay, maliwanag po yan ha. Katulad halimbawa ng mga relasyon natin sa Panginoon, you now have your own relationship with God. You must learn to hear from God and let Him direct your step.
Okay, number 3. Honoring your parents does not mean sacrificing your own happiness for them. Kasi come to think of it, your parents have already lived their own lives and have followed their dreams. Kaya naman, God also wants you to live your own life and follow your own dreams. Siyempre, hindi ibig sabihin na babaliwalain mo na sila. But it only means na susundin mo yung mga pangarap mo, yung alam mo na passion mo, yun ang gagawain mo.
Tama, Claire. We are thankful for our parents and we love them so dearly. At the end of the day, nais lang naman nila ang ating kaligayahan at kasaganahan. Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!